So is this one for sale? And what's it priced at?
I'll look if I think it. I think. Let me look.
Okay. But you could also build this.
Uh-huh. Yep, that's what I'm showing them. Yeah.
Okay, and I'm gonna go opposite you guys. This has a very similar jade feel to it.
Very similar to this that changes. Yeah.
Oh, I'm not saying a word. Gabriel, make sure you didn't see my reaction. I'm not impeding on your opinions. Smaller lot. You could build it on the big lot, or you can have this one for $550.
So look at this.
Kitchen was a penny. It was a lot.
This is 505, 990. Typically when we build